Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make this kind of text opening animation. If you find it interesting, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to enter the settings interface. Find background and click here to expand the menu. Choose white and click down to return to the main interface. Next, click here to create a text layer. Then, we will input a space in the text box here. Click here to take a screenshot. We now have an image in solid white color. Import this image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Again, use the method just now to change the background color back to black. Then delete the text layer on the timeline. Import a white image to the overlay track. Fade the image to the screen. Then click the upper right corner to add effects. Find circular mask and drag it to the effect track. Select it on the timeline. And in the inspector on the right, adjust the radius and the gradient values to display the painter in the video. Take a screenshot again. We now have this image. Delete all the items on the timeline. Now, let's create text. We need to create two types of subtitles here. First, click the top left corner to enter the subtitle. Select a type you like and drag it to subtitle track. Then, we click here to enter the text editor. First, input the text you want in the text box. Select an appropriate font. Change the text color to black and check text border. Change the color to white and adjust the size to about a 3. If your text content is short, you can repeat it several times in the input box to fill the screen horizontally. If your text content is long, adjust the scale to make it align and fill the screen horizontally. Finally, click Animation and select the Clip Up row. Click Apply and return to the main interface. Adjust the vertical position here to make the text at the top of the screen. Use Copy and Paste to create a new text material. Remember to leave a few frames between the first and second material. Adjust the vertical position to the second line. Repeat this process to fill the screen. Finally, use a ripple adder to adjust the duration of all materials to the same length. And then you can export the video. Next, create a new project. Import the just made video materials and image into the media library. Then, click here to create a new text layer. Input your desired text in the text box. Select an appropriate font. Adjust the text size and position. Delete the text shadow. Find animation and in Move In, select the Wipe Down. Adjust time to about 1 second. Then import the just made image to overlay track and let it fade to the screen. Adjust the size like this so it covers the text. Adjust the burn mode to subtract. Finally, import the just made text video materials into the video track. And now, the text opening is complete. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video. If you want to know more about video editing tutorials, make sure to follow this channel. And we will see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!